Begin by opening the hood and having a look at the engine. The air filter is located on the right side of the engine bay as indicated by the red arrow. Don't forget that all directions are given as if you are sitting in the car. There are two clips that hold the airbox lid to the intake and MAF, red arrow, one shown and one below, and four clips that hold the lid to the airbox, yellow arrows. Release the two clips on the intake tube by pulling them back towards the lid as indicated by the red arrows. The four clips holding the lid to the box release by lifting up on the plastic tabs, red arrows. Lift the lid up and away from the intake tube, red arrow. Pull the filter back and out of the airbox, red arrow. Depending on how long it has been since your last air filter change, the airbox may have substantial debris in it, yellow arrow. I recommend removing the airbox and giving it a good cleaning. This will also allow you to check for the windshield washer and coolant reservoir leaks. To remove the airbox, remove the 10mm nut and bracket by the windshield washer reservoir, red arrow. At the front of the box, remove the circlip, red arrow, and the overflow hose from the lid, yellow arrow, attached to the crossmember. Pull the lid up and out, red arrow. This will free up the snorkel on the airbox so you can remove it, yellow arrow. Pull the box straight up and off the two rubber mounts in the chassis as indicated by the red arrows. With the airbox removed, you can check for leaks from the windshield washer reservoir, red arrow, and the coolant reservoir, green arrow. Look for discolored stains on the metal. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.